Hello, Korbinian Kramer. You are a researcher at the Fraunhofer Institute, which is a German institute, and you are. This is the largest, actually, almost the largest institute in solar worldwide, and you are heading the test lab there. What is your job as a test lab?
Well, in a test lab, we accompany products through their developing circle, from the proof of concept, demonstration, until installations in the field. It's always about testing and qualification, technical characterization, I would call it. And there's also the aspect of product certification. So if you run an accredited test lab, you're maybe involved in product certification, providing information to the end consumer, basically, to make a good buying decision.
We are on a really expert conference here, and you are holding a keynote about solar thermal combined with PV elements, which can you produce both. And I would like to know are these products already market ready?
Yeah, there's several manufacturers offering those products. I think latest statistics talk about something like 30 to 40 providing market-ready products. Always in a new niche market, you have quite a volatile situation. So also, unfortunately, companies vanish again and new pop up. So some products are in their development rather mature. So you can really say several thousands of square meters of those have been installed. They have been proven to be market ready. And some concepts are more in the early development stage, and it's demonstrated, it's a proof of concept. So we will see them on the market, hopefully.
So what is the advantage of a combined product to having separate collectors and PV models on your roof?
Well, the boundary conditions have to be appropriate to make that a reasonable choice, but limitation of space is for sure one argument which can be important. You can also design the systems in different, let's say, optimization directions, so for the thermal output, for the electrical output, and with that, for example, you could design it on the same thermal output that you would have installing a solar thermal collector, half of the field, and half of it side by side, we call that, half of it PV. And then you would, if you go for the full space of PVT and you keep the solar thermal contribution, you win all the extra electrical from this area. So basically there can be more energy output if you have use for heat and electricity.
Is there any disadvantage?
Well, it is a new product. New products have always kind of disadvantages. I would say distribution channels are not easily accessible for PVT products. So to place that in the market, you struggle with that. Other things are that there's not much experience with the interference of these two functions in one product. Durability-wise, lifetime-wise, there's open questions, experiences to be made. So yeah, but there's advantages too.
How did you test them already live on your test stand?
Indeed, yeah. We have been testing several products, as I said, in the development phase, research projects, but also for certification. So some products are certified on the market, have been going through our test laboratories, both PV side, thermal side. And yeah, it's always interesting.
So I wish you an interesting conference as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.